Before you sleep tonight, let me ask you something. Are your eyes getting weaker every year? Do you forget small things, names, dates, where you kept your phone? What if I told you your eyes and brain are not failing, they are starving? And no, glasses, eye drops, or expensive supplements won't fix this. Tonight, I will share 4 bedtime juices that help repair eyesight, sharpen memory, and slow brain aging while you sleep. Most people never hear about these drinks. Miss even one, and your vision and brain power may continue to decline silently. Stay till the end. The 4th juice is so powerful that many doctors avoid talking about it. Your body repairs itself at night. Your brain cleans toxins. Your eyes heal microscopic damage. But here's the problem. If your body doesn't get the right nutrients before sleep, repair never happens. Nighttime is when nutrients absorb better. Blood flow slows down. Inflammation drops. That's why what you drink before bed matters more than what you eat all day. Let's start with the first juice. Carrot and beetroot juice is not just for eyesight. It feeds your brain with oxygen. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene. Your body converts it into vitamin A, the foundation of vision. Vitamin A deficiency is one of the hidden causes of night blindness, even in young people. Beetroot increases blood flow to the brain. More blood means more oxygen. More oxygen means sharper focus and clearer thinking. Drink this juice 30 to 40 minutes before sleep, not immediately before bed. If you drink it consistently for 3 months, many people report better night vision and reduced eye strain. But remember, if you have kidney stones, skip beetroot. Now let me tell you about the second juice, the brainberry combination. Blueberries protect the retina. They improve eye-brain communication. That's why scientists call blueberries brainberries. Pomegranate reduces brain inflammation. Inflammation is the silent enemy of memory loss. People who drink this juice regularly show better recall and focus within 60 to 90 days. No sugar, no artificial sweeteners. Drink slowly. Let your brain absorb it. This juice is especially powerful for people over 35. The third juice works like a nighttime detox for your brain. Spinach contains lutein. It protects your eyes from blue light damage. Apple improves blood sugar balance. Cucumber hydrates brain cells. This juice calms racing thoughts. It tells your nervous system that it's safe to rest. If your mind never stops at night, if you feel mentally tired but can't sleep, this juice is for you. Many people feel calmer within the first week. Now, listen carefully. This is the most powerful drink on this list. Turmeric reduces brain inflammation. It supports neuron repair. Almond milk feeds your brain healthy fats. When combined with black pepper, turmeric becomes extremely absorbable. This drink doesn't just protect your brain, it helps rebuild it. People who drink this regularly show improved memory and mental clarity. This is why it's rarely talked about. It's simple, cheap, and effective. If you have diabetes, drink small portions. If you have kidney disease, consult your doctor. Do not drink all 4 juices in one night. Rotate them. Consistency matters more than quantity. Your eyes are not weak. Your brain is not slow. They are underfed. Start tonight. Let your sleep become your medicine. If this message helped you, like this video. Comment "Vision" if you'll start tonight. Subscribe for more natural healing knowledge.